Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Google Drive, specifically the Google Documents feature in your Google Drive. So what you need to do is go to Google, so you just simply type in Google like I've done here. So I'm already at that site. Then you'll sign in at the blue sign in button on the right. I'll click that. Notice that I've been here before, obviously. You will, the first time you get here, you'll put in your Gmail account. You do have to have a Gmail account for this. Then you'll put in your password and you'll simply click sign in. Notice it'll take you back to the page you were at, except now your picture shows up over here if you decide to put your picture in your Gmail account. Otherwise it'll just be blank, and you'll see another several things here that now are active in your account. The thing we want to look at right now is this box of 9 boxes. So click there and you'll see several different items here. I want you to click on Drive, Google Drive. You see here it shows you that these are all the files that you have saved. All of the files that I've used in my Google Drive are right here. What I want to do now is to create a new file. So I'll click here and you'll notice that I could create a new folder. If I wanted to organize some things, I could do that. If I want my document, which is what I will want you to create, you can do a presentation. That's kind of like a PowerPoint. Spreadsheet is like an Excel. Form I use a lot in making surveys. And then drawing app you could use there. You can connect to more apps, but let's just simply keep it on topic and click document. Notice it'll bring up an untitled document. Always, and this is something that I want you to do, always rename that document now, otherwise you're going to have a bunch of documents in your drive called untitled documents. So all you do is click that, and then you can title it anything you want. This is our collaborative doc, so I click OK and notice that it now is the title of a new folder that I have here. Next thing, you'll see that this is just like Word in a way. You've got the paper that you're going to write on. You can see some of your tools that are up here, formatting tools, spelling. You can insert a table just as you would in a Word document. It is a little bit different, but very similar. So, for instance, you would just simply start typing. I just put that in there. You'll actually want to try to write something more coherent. Remember, you will already have shared some ideas back and forth with each other in Padlet, and now it's time to begin writing in this collaborative document. So I've done that. It automatically saves, so there's really no way to save it here. You can make a copy of it, you can open it, but you'll notice every time I type, notice that it says saving up at the top. I'm going to show you right here. It'll say saving. This is my work. And notice that it says saving right there. So all your work is saved automatically, which is a great feature because then you don't ever lose anything. To go back to the document, all I have to do is click Open Google Drive, and it should be the very last one that's in there. This is our collaborative document. So I'm going to click that. And now let's say I'm ready to share my work with someone else. There will be in this partnership one person who kind of takes the lead and creates the document, and then the other person is shared that document by the original creator. The way you do that, notice that my share right now says private only to me. Nobody else can get access to this until I click here and share it with them. Here's what I want to do. I want to invite someone. So I have to simply type in their email address. And it does have to be a Gmail address or your Amarillo ISD address. Notice that over here I can give them the ability to edit, just to comment, or just to simply look at. So I definitely want my partner to collaborate with me, and then I'm going to send that invitation. That invitation was sent to that person, the RTW student 10, and now that person can edit. And notice that I can keep up with who can do that right here. That's basically it. Now your partner, when you open up the G Drive from that partner's end, let's see if that worked. So I'm going to get out of there, and what I'm going to do to sign out is basically click here and sign out. So I'm out of there. Now I want to sign in with a different name. You don't have to necessarily know that because you'll just be worried about one name. And I want to go here. Ooh. Make sure I put that whole thing in there. And I don't want to do all of that. I just want to go there and sign in and go to my Google Drive. And notice when I click shared with me, that Google Doc appeared right there. Now that's where I sent from one of my accounts to the other. And so now it opens up and I can start typing, and when you're both in it, you can actually see what the other person is typing. It might be delayed by a little bit, but it's very interesting how this works. Notice that the last edit was made 3 minutes ago by me. I'm in right now as the RTW student 10. So that's as simple as it gets. One person in the partnership will need to take the lead. You'll discuss who that person is. And then otherwise, all the work should be shared equally. I hope that helps you understand about Google Drive and how to share documents. Make sure to make good use of that, and I will let you begin after you read the instructions on the collaboration unit.